Hey, it's Mike. Today I'd like to talk about Nano Dimensions. The stock soared over 21% up to $11.43. However, stop me if you've heard this before. Nano Dimensions prices a direct offering. So this time they're making this one a big one, $332.5 million. So they're going to sell 35 million shares at a price of $9.50 a share. That's a lot of money. That's going to bring them up to $1 billion in cash raised through 6 direct offerings. So you look, the direct offers at 950, stock's currently at 1143. Now, if you follow the pattern of direct offerings from Nano Dimensions, see all these little mountains here, all these little peaks here. Those are all the direct. This is when Nano Dimensions loves to price in those direct offerings. But each time the stock recovers and moves higher. So if you're long Nano Dimensions, you just continue to be long because the stock, yes, it's going to go down today. You should see that as a buying opportunity. I'm definitely going to buy more Nano Dimension stock today. Since the offering's at 950, my guess is that the stock maybe falls down to probably about 1050, and then begins to move higher. Now, I know it's very frustrating to deal with these direct offerings. However, Nano Dimensions is thinking long term. They now have $1 billion in cash. They're a $2 billion company with $1 billion in cash. They could use that money to do a lot of aggressive marketing and basically fight off the competition and become the dominant player in 3D printing. So I definitely see this as a positive. And like I said in the past, it's just you have to expect when Nano Dimensions to go on a run, they're going to do a direct offering to raise cash. However, that cash is going to be put to good use. And this is, thinking long term. As I said, that a stock like this, you hold it for 10 years and it's probably going to be worth many, many times. I mean, it could definitely be a $50 billion company 10 years from now, and that would be a, 20 to 30x return. So I do, my initial forecast for Nano Dimensions was for this stock to be at $12 a share by the middle of the year, 14 at the end of the year. I'm actually going to revise that upward. I think this is a stock that can be $15 a share by the middle of the year and $20 a share by the end of the year. So that would give it a potential 100% or almost 100% return over the next 12 months. And I base that 100% return on the fact that they have so much cash right now and the fact that the economy is going to reopen and a lot of companies that weren't able to invest in 3D printers are going to be buying 3D printers. And so you take all the extra sales that Nano Dimensions is going to make this year plus that $1 billion in cash, and they're going to be really well suited to do really well over the long term. So definitely long, definitely very bullish on Nano Dimensions. So if you want to trade it, trades on the NASDAQ on symbol NNDM. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and go ahead and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.